We are entering a post-design era, and Dribble's latest redesign is a testament to that. While most people talk about whether the new logo is a step into a good direction or not, I prefer to look at it on a much deeper level. The logo doesn't matter. What matters is what change the whole redesign signifies. Dribbble used to be an exclusive club based on the quality of work, and I still remember back in 2012 when I finally got that coveted invitation, I actually went out to celebrate. That was really a big deal. Over the years, Dribbble has gotten somewhat of a bad reputation among UX designers. To say that something looks like a dribble shot was an insult, meaning that it might look good, but it's pretty stupid and doesn't work as a design. And sure, there is some merit to that, but over the years, Dribbble has also served as an amazing source of inspiration. I believe in that regard, they were on the forefront of the industry, pushing everything forward. It is there where most trends got started. It is there where I first noticed neumorphic design, glassmorphism or aurora, and then I named them and wrote those very first articles about these trends. These trends all started on Dribbble. If not for that inspiration and those sometimes really unrealistic, artsy way of presenting things, all of UI would already be looking like a boring material design system clone template. And speaking of design presentation, Dribbble has also pushed the way we show our designs to the next level. Before it was just sending some JPEGs or PNGs off the screens, but after Dribbble we used to do 3D mockups, we used to do animated presentations and overlays and a lot more. The last few years weren't really great for Dribbble though. It was all about finding new ways to monetize things and hide existing features behind paywalls, and a lot of people quit Dribbble. A lot of really good designers that I admired completely quit the platform. The site was always really good at attracting clients for small design agencies, and we used it like that as well. But now they're switching gears. The main page is not about design inspiration anymore. In fact, they moved it to the third tab, which basically shows that this shift of importance is pretty big. No, now it's all about the benefits for big businesses, because apparently in this economy, they're the only ones that have any money to spend. So hey, big business, we're Dribbble, we have a lot of designers, so spend your money here and you can hire some best talent. Fair enough. But from a community-based creative playground for a lot of amazing designers, this has just become another job board with an option to show some design inspiration. I think the creative spark of most of the visual industries is gone or almost gone. We're entering the post-design era when everything is templatized, systemized, and made as cheaply as possible using those same tools and same materials over and over again. There is no room for exploration, there is no room for real research, there is no room for even thinking about the users. It's all about the bottom line of the company that pays you to move some rectangles from here to there according to the principles that were tested 100 times before by other companies, so let's just copy that and call it a day. And I bet the most searched keyword in this new Dribbble job search is gonna be Figma. Design is not a mix of art, craft, and problem solving anymore. It's mostly just moving rectangles to make generic crap as cheaply as possible. Hey Dribbble, it's been a blast, and I'm really sorry to see you get away from the source of what created you. This shift is only going to accelerate with more and more templatized, systemized, big business-oriented stuff being out there, and less creativity. But it's up to you if you're gonna choose that path and go with the flow or with the current with everybody else, or if you're like me and we're gonna fight against the tide. Let me know what you choose in the comments.